today we'll be doing a fall pumpkin spice look. I will be using the new palette from Too Faced. This is the pumpkin spice palette. I'm so excited. I would like to thank Miss Fable Lily for sending this to me. It's so pretty and it smells wonderful. I will also be using Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Pumpkin Spice. It's so pretty, it's so fall, and this is as fall as I can get because I live in Florida and it's very hot here. So I would have to do looks and have smells around my home and decorate my home for a fall look. So let's get started. I'm going to start with matte concealer. Compare some of these imperfections. I'm going to take it under my eyes, under my chin, on my forehead. Everything that I'm using will be linked down below. I'm going to follow up with my favorite contour. This is Suede Mocha in Black Opal. I'm going to take it along my hairline, on my shadow points, my nose, and my inner corners of my eyes. If I'm in a rush, I'll just use my contour on my eyelids, but taking my time today. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is NARS, and I'm going to apply it with a flat brush. Go right between my concealer and my contour with the foundation. Forehead, around my hairline, my jaw, cheeks, and my chin. I'm going to blend everything in with the body blender. I'm going to make sure I tap because I don't want to blend everything in at once. So I'm going to take my time, making sure that you can see the contour versus the concealer. You want to take your time blending, and I like to use all the sides of my body blender. You don't want to drag your beauty blender, you just want to tap it. Under my nose area, I turned it into the pointy part. I'm going to make sure everything is blended in. It takes some time, but it's worth it in the end. As you can see, everything is blended. I did not use a pore protector on this video because I just wanted to see how my skin will react to this new way that I'm doing my foundation. Now that everything is blended in, I'm going to start on my eyebrows, and I'll be using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It has two sides to it. I really love it. We want to brush the brows up. My brows have been microbladed before, but it's probably time for me to get them done again. And then we want to do a natural look, so I want to kind of just fix the imperfections in my eyebrow, fill in where there's no hairs. I love a natural brow. I'm just kind of filling in the blanks really with a very, very light hand flicks. I cannot talk when I do my brows, so I'll be back. So we have just about one done. Remember, your brows are cousins, not sisters. I go in with matte concealer and outline them and make sure I clean them up a little bit. I never really had sparse brows before. I just like them tame. I'm just blending it in with a brush with nothing on it. We're good on eyebrows. Take my blender and just make sure everything is patted in. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put on powder. So I'm going to use my banana powder. Everything will be linked below. The way that I put on powder is probably nothing you've ever seen before. I use a flat brush and I place it and I don't let it move until I'm ready to brush it off. I carefully placed it where I want it to bake. I do this before I do eyeshadow, because once I do eyeshadow, it's easy for the fallout to brush off. kind of mirror each side. I like to do my makeup in halves, the bottom, the middle, the top, and then with contouring and concealing, I do it backwards. This is my T-zone. It's normally oily right here, so I like to go heavy with my powder. We're gonna let this bake. It's done baking. We're gonna brush everything off. Now we're gonna start with the palette, the Spice Baby. And I'm just gonna start packing it on. And I'm gonna go right in my crease. I really like this color. It's not much fallout. I'm gonna take it almost all the way up to my eyebrow. Leave a little gap up there, and I'm kind of winging it out. The secret to blending is you want to do it in layers, so it won't look like a raccoon. I've been doing this for 30 years. Take your time and slowly add product and blend it as you go. As you notice, I'm not putting a lot on at first, but it's gonna all come together eventually. I get a lot of questions on blending, so now I want to go in with this pretty purple color down here. It's called Spice of Life, and I'm gonna add that on top of my lids. I really like this color. The pigment is awesome in this palette, and it smells wonderful. It smells like candy. Alright, these colors remind me of a sunset in the fall, where the skies got purple and orange and burnt red. Make sure you hop over to ElleKosGlam on Instagram, where you can keep up with me on the daily, or you can follow me on Facebook. Or you can also follow us on Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and we show different places we go all over the world. We love to cruise. And you can also go to Mr. Traveler Cruise Lovers, where we discuss places we go and we get to communicate and talk with our audience. We appreciate each and every one of you, because I want to give it a pop of vibrant color, so I'm going to use this blue. I'm actually adding it right under my waterline because I'm going to go in with the black on my waterline. It totally changes the look of the eye. Go over the blue with Spice of Life. I love color on my eyes and I love to play in color, but I'm a nudes person, so I usually wear color when we're out and about, like if we have something formal to do. But like if we go into the show or something, I just wear something nude. If we go into like a fancy restaurant or it's somebody's birthday or a wedding or something, I'll go ahead and add some color. And no, I am not wearing contacts. These are my eyes. Take this LA liquid matte liner and line the top. I'm gonna take this Ofra brush in Chameleon and just go ahead and add some blush to my cheeks. Here are lashes in 117. Going in with the black eyeliner. And a tight line. Lip liner. This is Cranberry from Revlon. Next, I'm going to use Too Faced Melted Matte and Pumpkin Spice. Formula is very creamy and it tastes really good. Yum. I really like that the tip of the lipstick is a doe slanted tip, so it fits your Cupid's bow. There it is. This is perfect for fall, perfect for a date night. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. This hair will be coming up very shortly. I'll let you know about it. I went ahead and did a whole 4-week review on it, and I hope you appreciate my hard work. This look came out so beautiful. I used the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette and I really love it. I'm going to do another look with it very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye everyone.